Once you have enabled solar for your project, you can then go to property measurements. And if you plan to use a TrueDesign report for your solar design, you can then hit order, confirm your location, and then scroll down here and fill out all of the necessary information: residential, commercial, multifamily. Select the product. TrueDesign for sales is going to be the product. Regular delivery, and in this case, I'll do primary structure only. And then I'll hit place order. Once I have done that and the order is completed, I can then search for the order here. And here we are. I have a TrueDesign for sales completed and sent, and I'll download this report. And once the report is downloaded, I will hit apply. If I would also like to do a premium measurements report, for example, from EagleView, I can go in and grab my premium residential measurements report, download that one, and then apply that as well.